안녕하세요 한 번만 해주세요.
안녕하세요.
It is say hello. Follow me. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Follow me please. 누가 도와줄래? 연우가 도와줄래? 그래, 연우가 한번 나와볼까? 네.
Hello.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. My name 연우.
오늘 연우이신가요?
저는 연우입니다.
저는 입니다.
저는 계산입니다.
Good. Your teacher is very good. Now.
A little bit tough. Little difficult. Yo는, and then put your name in there, and then say
In the
입니다.
bracket name.
Are you ready to do it? 1, 2, 3.
와. 기대되겠다.
Yes, it's fun.
저는 지아입니다.
오.
연우입니다. 연우입니다. 존님입니다. 라이스입니다.
alright. 감동받았죠?
네.
감동받았어요. 너무 잘.
We have my two blankets here.
Yes, my blanket. Yes.
Okay. But guys, be listening. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Auntie used to call me Cartwheel.
Then
came the war.
Auntie
didn't call me Cartwheel
anymore.
이모는 나를 수레바퀴라고 불렀어요. 그리고 전쟁이 시작되었고 더 이상 나를 수레바퀴라고 부르지 않았죠. I will always be me. 나는 나예요. 변하지 않아요.
Okay, good. Thank you, Sarah. She have us and when did the girl feel lonely and difficult at first? 처음에 왜 소녀가 왜 외롭다고 느꼈어요? Why did the girl feel lonely? Why?
Hazel? She felt lonely and difficult because she had just...
Because she hasn't met anyone yet, and she doesn't know anyone.
Big voice?
When she came, she heard
Okay, when she first came, she heard words that she didn't know and she felt a bit lost.
잘못 들었어요.
처음에 왔을 때 아무도 모르고 아무도 없었어요.
처음에 왔을 때 아무 동료가 없어서 하고. Okay. Question. Next question. What will you miss if you move to a new country? 새로운 나라에 갔을 때 뭐가 그리울까요? 뭐가 그리울까요? 새로운 나라에 가면 그리운 게 뭘까?
가족?
Your big voice?
Your home,
Your home,
friends,
your friends,
Right?
your country,
your country,
Country.
your picture, or your teachers, maybe from your old school. Ah, Ria has just moved from another country. Stand up, Ria. What do you think she will miss? You will miss if you move from. What did you miss? Family, other members of other families.
우리도 한번 얘기해 볼까? 누가 손을 우리도. 새로운 나라에 가게 되면 내가 그리울 게 뭐가 있을까? 그리울 게. 지아가 한번 얘기해 볼까? 크게.
친구들.
friends. She said friends. 친구가 그립대요. miss the friends.
You know how they swap folders? Yeah.
또 얘기해 볼 사람? 우리 손 들고 얘기해 볼 사람. 태양이 한번 얘기해 볼까?
가족이요.
가족, family. Yes, family. Yes, yes. 맞네. 오. 우리가 common answers. Family, friends, features. I think food. I think food. I think food. Next question. What changes when the girl met her friends? What changes? The
What
girl met her friends.
changed when the girl met a friend?
그 여자아이가 친구를 만나서 어떤 변화가 일어났을까요?
everything changed in her head.
Oh, everything changed in her head. There was lots of different changes.
Everything changed. Everything. Question. Are there friends from other countries around us? 주변에 외국에서 온 새로운 친구들이 있나요? How can you talk and be friends with them? 그
Okay,
사람들이랑 친구가 되려면 어떻게 해야 될까요?
stand up by people from another country, come from another country.
왜 이렇게 많아? 이게 다른 나라에서 온 친구들. 여기 다른 나라에서 온 친구들.
How can you talk? How did you start talking with your friends? Just at recess time? They invited each other to each other's house.
집으로 초대해 주면 된대요. 집으로 초대해서 같이 놀다.
Playing with each other, playing games. That's great.
Each other. Just play. Play is best way. Play is best way. Yes. Yes. 노는 게 제일 좋은 방법이겠죠. 친해지는 방법. 여러분들 그렇게 생각해요?
네.
거기 last question. Why do we need to respect and help each other? 왜 서로 도와주는 게 중요한 걸까?
Why do we
Why
need
need to
and
respect and 존중하고 도와주는 게 왜 중요한 걸까? 이거 한번 얘기해 볼게요.
So people feel happy and not feel left out and sad.
Yeah. So people are happy and not feeling left out.
So they won't be lonely.
Yeah.
To get new friends if you're from another country as well.
Get new friends. Make lots of new friends. Yeah.
So they feel comfortable in their new country. So they don't feel like everyone's rude in their new country.
Yeah.
Because they don't deserve to be bullied.
Oh, they don't like people to be mean. We call that bullied. They don't like bullies.
So they don't have to eat their lunch by themselves and be lonely.
Yes. Okay, thank you guys. Now we need to listen. Okay, guys, thank you for listening.
우리도 서로 존중하고 도우는 예언이가 한번 나와서 이쪽으로 나왔어야 돼요. 내려오니.
친해질 수 있고 우정이 생길 수 있으니까 친구들과의 사이가 더 돈독해질 수 있어요.
친구들과의 사이가 더 good relationship. Make a good relationship.
Make good relationships.
친구가 많을수록 좋아가지고
친구가 많을수록 좋다. 생각합니다. 많을수록 좋다. 좋다는 할까지. good. 많을수록. many friends be will better, 그렇지, better. Many friends, more friends is better. She said, more friends.
Very good. More friends, the more friends you have.
Can you read? Let's begin.
오늘만 집에 남겨두고 엄마는 일을 하러 간다. 들이 내려왔어요. 호랑이는 얼른 동아줄을 잡았어요. 하지만 한 동아줄은 뚝 끊어지고 말았어요. 호랑이 살려. 호랑이는 저소수 밭으로 쿵 떨어졌어요. 새가 붕붕 떠들었는데 호랑이가 흘린 피 때문이래요. 하늘로 올라간 오누이는 새와 달이 되었습니다.
Nice. Thank you.
Maybe it's C.
Yeah. So next 문제, 마지막 문제예요. The last question. The brother and sister went up the sky and became this and that. That is the title of this book. Yeah. What?
Highlight.
Okay. Do you want to know what they're thinking it might be? They think it's this and that,
Yeah.
or the big bad tiger.
Big bad tiger. 큰 나쁜 호랑이가 됐을 것 같다는데. Okay. That is the sun and the moon.
Okay.
The sister and brother on the sky, the sun and the moon. So became the sun and the moon. Today we read the books, two books, English book and Korean book. How about? It's boring? It's too. 어때요? 힘들어요?
아니요.
재밌었어요?
예.
어땠어요?
재밌었어요.
재밌었어요.
신기했어요.
재밌고 신기했어요. So today we will finish it now, and the next time we will sing. We will sing together. Next time we will sing together. I heard that your song is I'm Australia, right? I'm Australia. Okay. Heather?
Yes.
No, we will finish now. Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. How do we say goodbye in Korean?
Korea? Just 안녕. 안녕.
안녕.